Hey, here's a little look inside of Create, Launch, and Flourish Together program and how it's going to work when you enroll and get inside. So here is the overall roadmap. This is all the things that we're going to do together in the program. All the steps are laid out for you, bite-sized chunks, so if you only have a little bit of time at a time to do each little step, if you're just working in the margins of your life, you can just implement one little bite at a time and get through the whole thing. Let's enroll. Enrollment closes soon, so let's get started. And you have two options to join: payment plan or all at once. If you need to talk, just hit that little chat bubble and we can chit chat about everything. And then you'll just go through the checkout process. It's pretty straightforward. Do make sure that you turn on the instructional emails so that you get notified of new lessons or anything like that. And you can choose to pay with PayPal or a credit card, debit card, whichever is your preference. Then you're going to go ahead and just finish this last section. And here's an option that I hope that you'll take up. And this is where we will collaborate together on Zoom for a 3-hour session, and I will be in your website building for you while you watch me and learn. Then just finish checkout. After you get enrolled, then this is your course dashboard where you'll see all of the courses that you're enrolled in. So right here you have the Create, Launch, and Flourish Together program in here. Everything is in here. And then this is the bonus that you're going to get. And if you did the Jumpstart with me, then you still will have access to that. Once you enroll, you have instant access to get started. So click the Start Here lesson and read through everything here. It's kind of like your orientation. And whenever you're done with the lesson, you can just click at the bottom or top where it says complete and continue to move on to the next lesson and save your progress. This is the onboarding form. This is how I get to know you. So tell me about your business. I love to get to know you better so I can help you to the best of my ability. This is where you can find a knowledge base of all of the previous questions that have been asked by previous versions of this program. Here's just, an overview of all of the different sections. We've got some prep work you can get started right away, and then we start week 1 with the design section. And we've got lots and lots of lessons. Some are text lessons, some are video lessons. Everything's broken into sections to keep it organized so you know what step in the process you're currently on. And you just keep going down the line. Everything's in order pretty much. So you just do lessons that you feel you need help with to learn, to implement, and take it one step at a time. Everything you need to know is here step by step. So the first thing we're going to do together is create your style guide. I call this a style tile. I'm not the person who came up with this concept, but this is a way to get the overall visual aesthetic. It's going to be really easy because I already have Canva templates in there for you. If you've ever used Canva, it's a free graphic design software, so you can just jump into those templates and get started. Then after you get your overall design aesthetic, then you are going to sketch out your different pages. This is called a wireframe. I like to do this with pencil and paper, but you can use some type of other software or tool. So I just like to get a basic idea of which rows and sections are going to be on the website. So you'll do that. To help you with both of the previous step, the style tile and your wireframe sketch, I've got this bonus for you, the website design inspiration guide. So you'll be able to go through that and get some ideas and inspiration for what you want to have your website look like. After you know all the sections on your page, then you're going to know which photos you need and where you want to put them. So you're going to go ahead and grab all your photos, put them into folders, and get things ready. And then write all of the content for your pages. You know where you want each little text block, so you're just going to write out those sections, and then you're going to be ready for the next step. This is where you actually sign up for hosting, set up your site, and point your domain, connect all the pieces, and then you're going to put up your coming soon page. Now it's time to customize and build out your site, which is going to be pretty quick because you've already collected everything that you need and you are ready to build. So you're not going to have that coming soon page up for a long, long time. Again, I've got a bonus in the course, which is going to help you easily build out your sections and rows. I'm going to have pre-designed page layouts and row layout templates. Here you can see how these templates work. You're just going to drag and drop a saved row on the page or spin up a template, and then you can customize it. If you're curious about, which themes or plugins or anything that you want to have on your website, and you don't want to go through the hassle of buying your own licenses, trying it out, and then maybe you don't like it. If you want to try out multiple themes and multiple plugins to test them, I'm going to let you use all of my copies of these themes and plugins during our 12 weeks together. After that, then it'll be time for you to decide which ones that you want to invest in for your site. Of course, before you launch, you want to make sure that you test it, and then you're going to launch version 1.0. This is just your minimum viable website. It has the basic pages, all the essentials, and you'll be able to get this up really quickly. Then, in the background, while you have your version 1.0 website launched and live, now is when you can build out your shop, add your products, set up your shipping settings, all of that stuff, because that's going to be a little bit of a process. So we want to make sure that you have a really nice website up already before you start tackling this, so you don't, again, have that coming soon page up for months and months and months. After you get the e-commerce bit done, then you can go ahead and launch your full website. You can start making sales and processing and fulfilling your orders and shipping out products to the customers. I also wanted to let you know that I'm including this replay of a workshop that I did where it's going to show you how to link your website from your Etsy shop and link your Etsy shop from your website, and all the reasons why you can do that and how you can do that without breaking Etsy's terms of service. I can't wait to see you guys inside and be able to help you as you create and launch your website, and I can't wait to celebrate with you. I'm on a mission to help you launch your own profitable website, even if you have no idea where to start. So you're going to create your own website step by step alongside a group of other business owners who are on the same path as you, and you're going to have guidance and support from me. So let's launch it together. I can't wait to work with you.